Hi, this is Izzatullah, and our project name is Smart Door Lock, and it consists of a Raspberry Pi, Arduino, and some other instruments which was required by us, like relay motor, and within the relay motor we have a solenoid lock. This is the solenoid lock, and currently this is the user interface and structure of our lock, which is the POX. Basically we can attach this to any door, and then we can also place this anywhere, so that uh, so that uh, so that we can handle the security purposes, like if we want to add this outside any office or outside home, and if you want any security, so we can add this. Okay, so currently this is the window of Raspberry Pi. Okay, so in Raspberry Pi we have coded each and everything, and currently it's a CLI mode. And what CLI modes do, it's basically connects your bridge of hardware with the software. We have a software, we have another app which shows the real-time notification, and if there is no any user, and if any user comes, and if he and she is not registered, then it must show wrong, and it must alert us that it's a wrong credentials. So the purpose of app is that our security remains strong. Okay, oppose करते हैं.
Okay, so this is Ghanem Ghazi. I'm also the partner with Izzatullah, and we have created this model called Smart Face Door Lock. And about the features, if I will tell you about the features, we have a solenoid lock that is going to be attached with the door, and that door will be serve as an agent that will lock and unlock the door. And about the features, we have almost 4 features. The first one is the RFID. The second one is also RFID, but within the keychain. Then we have a thumbprint sensor. Then we have a keypad, and we have a camera as well. To show you how it's going to work, I will just enter the code that we already have. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. And just to make sure that we enter that particular number, we are going to enter hash. Once we click on the hash button, it says access has been granted and it has been unlocked. And the second option I will show you, that is the camera feature. If Izzatullah can come here, and if we just go here and click it, you can just zoom here, and once I put my face here, it will automatically unlock the door. So that was actually the second feature. The third one is this keychain that is called RFID, and this is also an RFID as well. So the next features will be represented through our next member.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, my name is Malia Khan. Today we are representing our smart door lock system, a secure access control solution building by using Raspberry Pi 4, Python, OpenCV, Fast API, and also MongoDB. Unlikely traditional doors open on relay on key, and our system user for authentication for maximum security. The user is verified through the face recognition, RFID, a fingerprint scanner, and finally PIN code. Only when all 4 authentication steps successfully completed is door lock unlocked and make authorized access extremely difficult.
Hi everyone, my name is Rimsha, and now I'll explain what happens after the authentication process is completed. After successful authentication, the system grants access and automatically stores the user detail and access history in MongoDB for monitoring and auditing purposes. This provides complete access logs, making it suitable for home, offices, and other high security environments. Our smart door lock system significantly improves security by protecting against key thief, credential sharings, and it also offering a modern and reliable alternative to traditional locking systems. Thank you.